So in this video I'm gonna treat the puzzle The Uneven Brickwork, published on January the 17th of 2024, and it consists of a rectangle shown here, which is divided into 6 other rectangles, and it is given that those 6 rectangles all have equal area. So you see here the 6 rectangles are of equal area, and the question is the green triangle going from these vertices, what is the fraction of the area it covers of the total rectangle? Well, it's an intermediate puzzle. It's not very hard, but it takes some algebra to solve it. And let's first put some measures here. Let's say that the leftmost rectangle has height A and width B. So these are variables, and then we continue to this rectangle. It has the same height, and because it also has the same area which is given, it must also have the width B. So it also has area AB, and we have a B over there. But now we continue to this rectangle over here, because we know it has width of 2B, and therefore it must have height A divided by 2, so that again it has the area AB, like this. But now we know that this height is the height of the upper right rectangle is 3A over 2. So let's put it there. 3A divided by 2. That's the height of this rectangle, and therefore it must have the width of 2B over 3. So if you multiply those, then the two fractions cancel each other to 1. So again, this then has the area AB. Now we know that the total width of the large rectangle is addition of those 3, so that is 8B over 3. So, and it is divided again because those two lower rectangles have the same area and they have the same height, so they must have the same width. So they divide the total width in 2. So we can say that their width must be 4B over 3. So 1 over here, 4B over 3, and this one has the same width, so that they add up to 8B over 3. And finally, then we can also infer their height, because they have area AB again, so therefore the height must be 3A over 4. So that again the fractions cancel and the area is AB. So now we have all the necessary measures put in, and now the question is, what's the area of the green triangle? Well, it is wise not to calculate it directly, but to see that it leaves open from the original rectangle 3 other white triangles, and those areas can more easily be computed because they are all right triangles. So you can multiply the B times the height, which is 3A over 2 divided by 2. So I leave that to the reader. What you can see is that this triangle has area 3AB over 4, and well, you can easily calculate this, and it turns out that that triangle is 15ab over 8. And this triangle over here, well, that's quite easy to see because it is exactly half of this rectangle, which contains 2. So this rectangle has area 2ab, is half. So this one has exactly AB, so the area of one small rectangle. So now we know the areas of those 3 triangles. So, and then we can say that the green one is the total. So let's say AB, the total is 6 of the 6 rectangles, minus 3 over 4, minus 15 over 8, minus the 1. And it turns out that this is 19ab over 8. And it makes sense because that's, let's say, roughly 2.5 of the smaller rectangles. So let's say slightly less than half of the total. And well, then what's asked is the question, is the fraction of the total. So the total is 6, so you divide this number by 6ab. Of course, then AB cancels and you get the answer 19 over 48. And that's the green fraction, and that's the answer of this puzzle.